Adding shipping in the Big Cartel is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, log in to your Big Cartel account. Now, click on your account name in the top right corner. Select Account from the drop-down menu. Next, click on Shipping and Returns in the Account section. Choose your shipping method. Big Cartel offers two main shipping methods. Product shipping rates. Set individual shipping rates for each product based on weight, size, or destination. Shipping profiles. Create profiles with predefined shipping rates that apply to multiple products or on all products in your shop. After that, set shipping rates. For product shipping rates, go to the Products page. Then, click on the Edit for the product you want to set shipping rates for. Next, click on Add Shipping. Select a country or region. Then, enter a shipping rate. You can set different rates for different weight or size options. Repeat for each country or region you want to ship to. After that, set shipping profiles. For that, go to the Accounts page. Then, click on Shipping and Returns. Now, click on Create Profile. Here, enter a name for the profile. Select country or region. Set shipping rates based on weight, order value, or flat rate. You can add multiple shipping rates for different weight or value ranges. Next, click Save to create the profile. Once you've completed the setup, click Save to confirm your changes and activate your chosen shipping options.